Okay, my review of the AKC Blackfinger 777. It's okay, but it's not worth the 70 bucks I paid. They're fun to have. It's a fun knife. Mine, both edges are sharpened on it. But the one thing I noticed about mine is this front ABS piece. It's not on there real good. It's loose. You might be able to hear that. Overall, it's a really cool knife. I just think they're overpriced. I'm sure I can probably fix that, but it just shouldn't be like that. It's a brand new knife. I just got it today. And really, you shouldn't have to deal with that with these. It is made in Italy. See? AKC. Made in Italy. There you go. The Blackfinger. A little bit overrated, but still a cool knife.